In this video, we will show you how to add an engaging component to your training with Quiz Show. The Quiz Show template can be played as an instructor-led session or in self-paced mode for individual play. In self-paced or e-learning mode, the session can be uploaded into any LMS using SCORM or can simply be played by sending out the session URL to your attendees or students. In an instructor-led session, you can have anywhere from 2 to 10 teams or play in all play mode, pitting attendees against each other in gameplay. Your participants can answer questions using their smart devices or computer to interact directly with your session, allowing you to know what they know in real time and identify knowledge gaps. You also have the option to have your students respond vocally to answer each question. The game template is made up of 3 to 5 categories, which can contain 3 to 5 questions per category with the option of a final question, offering a unique wagering feature to that training session. In Quiz Show, the player or instructor controls the order the questions are presented. Well, that's our quick overview of Quiz Show. If you have any additional questions or want a personal run-through, please feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find ways to make your next presentation more engaging. Take care.